Do you want to send voice message on TikTok? You can send an audio message on TikTok chat with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send a voice message on TikTok chat. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen. You will see the list of chats with your friends. Now, open the chat of the person you want to send a voice message. A chat conversation screen will open. Inside the chat box, tap and hold the microphone icon next to the message typing box. Keep holding the microphone button while you record your message. When you release the button, the voice message will be sent automatically. Now, your audio message will be delivered directly in TikTok chat.